suppose there's nothing else we can do today. And then what?
I'll go and look for the keys. They have to be somewhere.
Yeah, YG. Uh, we're definitely avoiding modern words, and basically what we agreed on while writing the dialogues is that we're going to use normal today modern language without modernism, without stuff that would break the immersion, or that would really break the spell of this being in medieval times. So, and of course we're gonna spice it up with words that are old or that are archaic, so there's gonna be a lot of that. And now my chat window just deleted itself. Oh god damn. Hang on, I'm gonna alt-tab for a second and I'm gonna check out what's going on in the chat, and
This is like a bad dream. What did I
I'll
do
be
to deserve
right back with you. Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me? I hope you can. I'll just continue. So, I'd like a beer. Those are people in the pub. That's right behind this building. Yeah, someone said he wanted a beer, and here it comes. So yeah, so there's this crisis that I need to solve. I need to open this door. Once again, I'll have to find the spot where, and here it is. And I got it. I was about to say something. Oh yeah, once again, this is full of spoilers. Like, if you want to explore the game for yourself, then just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna show you stuff that you would have the pleasure of discovering for yourself. And I'm gonna steal the money. And I'm gonna steal the seal. So that's it. So now you have seen how lockpicking works. And Jesus, I can't keep up with the chat. Actually, I just closed my chat window again. I'm really sorry about that. God, how do I fail so badly? Okay, so what would you guys like to see? Let's do some. I'm gonna shoot the bow, because I feel like not being able to jump over a fence today I feel like showing you how awesome I am, but oh hey, there he is.
Yes.
I greet you, sir. Might you be the owner of...
Okay, I'll
Why,
skip
that
through
seems
this.
Looks can be...
Really?
You've a spare...
Perhaps I could.
Oh, I see.
I'm glad to hear.
Sure.
Excellent. How about this?
All right.
Here's your bow and arrow. Good luck. I'd say you'll need it.
So, here I am. I'm trying to... What? Hold on. Where's my bow? Oh, it's not... Alright, yeah, we know about this. Damn, that's unfortunate. There's a bug here. It sometimes happens that you accept this like mini quest or the activity with the bow and it doesn't give you the bow and the arrows. So that's what just happens to me. So I'm gonna...
Yes.
So, how did I...
Pathetic.
Yeah, pathetic. Well, thank you for
Yes.
being such a kind gentleman.
Sir?
Want to try again?
All right.
Here's your bow and arrow. Good luck.
Okay. I saw a bow on my shoulder. And I have it in my hands. Ha 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 ha. Now, well, that won't be easy. Okay, I wanted to show you how I rock. Now I'm showing you how I suck. This is really bad. This is really pathetic. Will I? I will lose. Hey, I hit red. See? This one time, I hit red. Wow. That was really bad. And that's it. Now I'm really super awesome because... Did I at least get my money back?
Yes.
So, how...
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. So one more thing is that there are more... I won't show them to you. There are more trunks around the map that you can lockpick. There's now some more stuff at this guy that you can buy. This lady looks a bit uptight. There's a cat trying to climb up on my lap. And yeah, there's the stupid, sad guy. Well, he's stupid, he lost his keys. It seems to me that I'm out of sync with my chat, so once again, I'm sorry. I'll just... Alt tab for a brief moment, and I will be back with you in a moment. Yeah, so we're back and I have to say nazdar kluci. Hezký večer přeju a díky za podporu. That's for all the Czech guys in the chat. And well, if anyone else is listening. Okay, so I'll just, god damn it, I'll just talk to the bailiff again, hopefully. He doesn't want to talk to me. Well, I'll try to talk to his wife then. Keys. I found your keys.
Keys, and I need to know something.
Indeed.
Oh, I didn't
Boy,
find those keys actually.
chicken shit. Ask away then.
A jedna slečna, pardon, omlouvám se. How come both of you locked the door? No, actually, I don't want to
That's all
know
I need
that.
to know. Thanks.
Now, there's one more thing I want to show you before I sign off. And that is this hovering fishing pole. Okay, but this is really important that you see this and that you understand what this man must think of the situation. But that wasn't really the last thing. The last thing I wanted to show you was my favorite part of the tech alpha. And this is this little stream here. And how it feels, because I think that the awesome people that work at Warhorse Studios that create the landscape and create basically everything you see around yourself, that they're doing a marvelous job at making it feel really alive. And this area here is just my favorite. I mean, there's something to it. I can't stop coming here. And of course, then there's the forest. With all the tiny details. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I know it was short, but I have to go to sleep. I thank you all for watching. This is our old lady. I'm not sure about the status of cats, but she definitely needs some cats around here. And yeah, of course there's alchemy that you can try out in this alpha. You will need to find a guy that is shitting all over the place. That's where you start the quest. Now, with this beautiful view, hang on a second, maybe from here. Yeah. With this beautiful view, I will leave you. Thank you for watching, and as I said, there's the big discussion about the language used in the game, so join it on our forums. You will find the forums at kingdomcomrpg.com, and there's a link to our forums. And make sure you check it out, make sure you check out the game, and make sure to stay safe. For now, I will leave you. Good night. Good night.